How to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Telegram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on sensitive content within Telegram. So if you're getting messages like this channel can't be displayed in Telegram, enabling sensitive content may fix this issue for you. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is actually open up a browser on our iPhone or Android phone, because unfortunately we cannot change the sensitive content setting within the Telegram app. So go ahead and open a browser and navigate to web.telegram.org and check the description. I'll have a direct link down there so you can just select that. Once you get to web.telegram.org, go ahead and log into your account. And then once you're logged in, select the three horizontal lines in the top left to open the menu. And then in the menu, select Settings. Now that we're in the settings for Telegram, all we need to do is select Privacy and Security. Then once you're in Privacy and Security, simply scroll down and you'll see under Sensitive Content, Disable Filtering. So if that is unchecked, then it is filtering out sensitive content. So we need to check that, and then this will disable the sensitive content filtering. So once we do that, simply back out until we get back to Telegram. And then what I recommend doing to ensure that this new settings change is updated in your app is simply close the app and then reopen it up so that those settings are updated and now effective in the Telegram app. All right, so that's how you enable sensitive content on Telegram. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Telegram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.